Hyperloop Hyperport. Step into the world of the Hyperloop Hyperport, where travel meets the future. Imagine boarding a sleek pod that glides at incredible speeds through vacuum tubes, cutting down hours of travel into minutes. This video takes you inside this groundbreaking technology, showing how magnetic levitation allows the pods to float and move smoothly, while futuristic hyperport stations make boarding fast and effortless. Engineers are turning science fiction into reality, creating a system that is not only ultra-fast, but also energy efficient and safe. You'll get a close look at the pods, the tunnels, and the smart systems that keep everything running perfectly. The Hyperloop promises to transform travel, connecting cities and regions in ways we've never seen before. Whether you're a tech fan, a travel enthusiast, or just curious about the future, this glimpse into the Hyperloop Hyperport is both fascinating and exciting. See how this innovative transport system could make commuting faster, smarter, and far more thrilling than ever. The future of travel is here, and it's faster than you can imagine. "3D Printer Clay Meet 3D Printer Clay," an amazing tool that brings creativity to life like never before. This innovative 3D printing system uses special clay that can be shaped and printed layer by layer, allowing you to create detailed sculptures, artistic designs, and functional objects with precision and ease. In this video, you'll see how 3D printer clay transforms the way we craft, making it faster and simpler to turn ideas into real, tangible creations. Whether you're an artist, designer, hobbyist, or just love experimenting with new technology, this system lets you explore your imagination and bring it to life in a way that traditional methods can't. Its advanced printing technology ensures smooth surfaces, accurate shapes, and professional quality results, whether you're making small decorative items or larger, more complex projects. You'll also see how easy it is to design, print, and refine your creations, giving you complete control over every detail. Alpha Centauri. The Alpha Centauri is a thrilling and high-performance personal watercraft designed for pure fun and adventure on the water. Its sleek, modern design allows it to glide smoothly across lakes, rivers, and coastal waters, giving riders a fast, exciting, and unforgettable experience. With a powerful engine, it accelerates quickly while staying stable and easy to control, making every ride safe and full of energy. Perfect for water sports enthusiasts and adventure seekers, the Alpha Centauri combines speed, comfort, and precision. Its comfortable seating and simple, intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to ride, while experienced riders can enjoy sharp turns, high-speed glides, and smooth maneuvers over waves. Its lightweight but strong construction ensures balance and stability, allowing riders to focus entirely on enjoying the thrill of the water. America's AI infrastructure. Meet America's AI infrastructure, the powerful system that's driving the future of artificial intelligence. This advanced network combines supercomputers, data centers, and intelligent networks to support AI research, development, and real-world applications across a wide range of industries. In this video, you'll see how it enables lightning-fast data processing, complex simulations, and advanced machine learning, making AI capable of solving problems more efficiently and effectively than ever before. From healthcare and transportation to defense and environmental research, this infrastructure powers technologies that improve lives, protect communities, and drive innovation. Its scale and sophistication allow researchers and engineers to develop smarter AI systems, test groundbreaking ideas, and push the boundaries of what technology can achieve. Anti-Gravity A1. Meet the Anti-Gravity A1, a futuristic vehicle that lets you hover and glide effortlessly above the ground. Using advanced anti-gravity technology, this incredible machine gives you the feeling of floating while moving, offering a completely new way to travel. In this video, you'll see how the Anti-Gravity A1 combines sleek, modern design with smart controls and innovative engineering to provide stability, speed, and easy maneuvering, making every ride smooth and exciting. Unlike traditional vehicles, it doesn't rely on wheels or roads, opening up new possibilities for commuting, adventure, or just exploring in style. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventurer, or simply curious about next-level transportation, the Anti-Gravity A1 shows how innovation can transform the way we move. You'll also get a closer look at how it balances, hovers, and responds instantly to controls, making it safe, responsive, and fun to ride. Perfect for anyone looking to experience something truly futuristic, the Anti-Gravity A1 combines excitement, technology, and freedom in one amazing package. Watch as it demonstrates the future of travel, offering a unique, smooth, and thrilling experience that redefines what it means to get from one place to another. With the Anti-Gravity A1, the future of transportation is literally above the ground. Atmos Phoenix Capsule. Meet the Atmos Phoenix Capsule, a futuristic way to travel that's compact, high-tech, and designed for ultimate comfort. This innovative capsule brings a whole new experience to personal transportation, combining safety, efficiency, and style in one sleek package. In this video, you'll see how it works, from its advanced navigation and control systems to its smart, futuristic interior that makes every journey smooth and enjoyable. Whether it's zipping through city streets or traveling longer distances, the Phoenix Capsule delivers a ride that feels effortless and futuristic. You'll get a close look at the technology that powers it, including safety features that keep passengers secure and smart systems that make operating it simple and intuitive. Beyond being just a mode of transport, it's a glimpse into the future of how we might move around, fast, efficient, and fun. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, early adopters, or anyone curious about the next level of personal mobility, the Atmos Phoenix Capsule is redefining travel. Watch as this incredible capsule shows how technology can make commuting not only faster, but also more exciting and enjoyable. Boeing X-37B. Meet the Boeing X-37B, an amazing unmanned spaceplane that's changing the way we explore space. This futuristic vehicle is built to fly into orbit, stay there for long periods, and then return to Earth safely, combining the capabilities of both a spacecraft and an airplane. In this video, you'll see how the X-37B operates, from its reusable design to the advanced technology that lets it complete complex missions in space. It's used for testing new materials, autonomous systems, and other innovative technologies that could shape the future of aerospace. With its ability to launch, orbit, and land smoothly, the X-37B shows how space travel can become more flexible, efficient, and reusable. This spacecraft isn't just about science, it's a glimpse into the future of how humans and technology work together to explore space safely and effectively. Bravada Atlas V-Series Yachts. The Bravada Atlas V-Series yachts are luxurious and high-performance yachts built for adventure, comfort, and fun on the water. Their sleek, modern design allows them to glide smoothly across oceans, seas, and large lakes, giving riders an exciting and relaxing experience at the same time. With powerful engines and advanced technology, these yachts accelerate quickly, handle easily, and navigate effortlessly, making every trip enjoyable and thrilling. Ideal for adventure lovers, sailing enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys luxury on the water, the Bravada Atlas V-Series combines style, performance, and comfort. Spacious decks and elegant interiors provide plenty of room to relax, entertain guests, or enjoy long voyages with family and friends. Brilliant Ultra Reality. Imagine a world where digital content feels like it's really around you. That's what Brilliant Ultra Reality brings to life. This incredible technology blends the virtual and real worlds, creating experiences that are immersive, interactive, and unforgettable. In this video, you'll see how Brilliant Ultra Reality lets you explore virtual worlds, play games, or even work on 3D projects as if they exist in your own space. Using advanced sensors and high-resolution visuals, it makes everything look realistic and respond naturally to your movements. From gaming adventures to creative design, this system transforms the way you see and interact with digital content, making it feel alive and part of your environment. It's not just about visuals, it's about connecting with technology in a way that feels intuitive and exciting. ClearSpace One. Meet ClearSpace One, an exciting mission designed to clean up space and make orbit safer for satellites and spacecraft. Space around Earth is becoming crowded with debris from old satellites, rocket stages, and other leftover materials, which can be dangerous for active satellites and future missions. ClearSpace One tackles this problem with advanced robotics and smart technology, locating space junk, capturing it, and safely removing it from orbit. In this video, you'll see how the mission works, from its precise navigation systems to its robotic arms that grab debris with accuracy and care. By clearing hazardous objects from orbit, ClearSpace One helps prevent collisions, protects valuable satellites, and ensures safer space travel for everyone. This mission isn't just about cleaning space, it's about innovation, problem solving, and making the future of space exploration sustainable. Dassault Vortex. Meet the Dassault Vortex, an amazing next-generation aircraft that's built for speed, precision, and innovation. This futuristic plane is designed to take aviation to a whole new level, combining sleek design with cutting-edge technology to deliver incredible performance. In this video, you'll see how the Vortex can fly faster, maneuver more precisely, and operate safely with advanced systems that make every flight smooth and efficient. Whether it's testing new flight technologies, pushing the limits of modern aviation, or exploring the skies at high speed, the Dassault Vortex is engineered to impress. You'll get a close look at its aerodynamics, advanced engines, and intelligent systems that make flying easier and more exciting. This aircraft is not just about power, it's about innovation, safety, and the future of air travel. Perfect for aviation enthusiasts, tech lovers, or anyone curious about the next level of flight. Excalibur Space Interception. Meet Excalibur Space Interception, a futuristic system built to protect satellites and spacecraft from potential dangers in orbit. This advanced technology is designed to detect, track, and neutralize threats quickly and precisely, ensuring that valuable space assets stay safe. In this video, you'll see how Excalibur combines smart sensors, autonomous targeting, and rapid response systems to monitor space and respond to any hazards with accuracy and speed. Its cutting-edge design makes it reliable and effective, even in the complex and fast-moving environment of outer space. By keeping satellites and spacecraft secure, it helps maintain communication, navigation, and other critical functions that we rely on every day. Samsung Micro RGB 130-inch. Experience a whole new level of visual brilliance with the Samsung Micro RGB 130-inch display. This massive screen uses the latest micro LED technology to bring every image to life with vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and stunning clarity. In this video, you'll see how this enormous display turns movies, games, and shows into an immersive experience like never before. Its 130-inch size makes every detail feel bigger, brighter, and more realistic, giving you a home theater experience right in your living room. The sleek and modern design fits perfectly in high-end entertainment setups, combining style with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're watching action-packed movies, playing high-definition games, or showcasing creative content, the Samsung Micro RGB display ensures every scene pops with incredible brightness and rich, true-to-life colors. Sandbar Stream Ring. Meet the Sandbar Stream Ring, a fun and innovative device that takes water adventures to the next level. This amazing ring is designed to make rivers, streams, and calm waters safer and more enjoyable for everyone. In this video, you'll see how it works to create smooth, controlled flows that are perfect for floating, swimming, or just relaxing on the water. Its clever design makes it easy to use while enhancing safety, giving families, friends, and water enthusiasts a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Whether you're spending a day on a river or exploring a calm stream, the Sandbar Stream Ring turns ordinary water spots into exciting, interactive spaces. You'll get a close look at how it guides the water, keeps areas safe, and adds a touch of fun for everyone. This device is perfect for kids, adults, and anyone who loves spending time in the water, offering a mix of entertainment and innovation. Watch as the Sandbar Stream Ring transforms your water adventures, creating a relaxing, fun, and safe environment where everyone can enjoy the natural flow of rivers and streams. With this simple yet brilliant device, your time in the water becomes safer, more interactive, and unforgettable. Spaceborne Artist Mission. Meet the Spaceborne Artist Mission, an exciting project that's pushing the boundaries of space exploration. This mission is designed to test and improve satellites, space systems, and orbital technology in real conditions above Earth. In this video, you'll see how the Artist mission works, from managing smart satellites to conducting experiments that gather valuable data for scientists and engineers. Its advanced systems allow autonomous operations, making space research safer, faster, and more efficient. The mission shows how cutting-edge technology can solve real problems in orbit, improving the way satellites communicate, navigate, and perform tasks. Whether it's testing new equipment, supporting scientific research, or demonstrating innovative space solutions, the Artist mission highlights the future of space technology. You'll get a close look at how its intelligent design and smart systems help carry out complex operations without constant human control.